Welcome to Ascendant's Edu-Tech YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about the different cases in Microsoft Word. Where we are going to learn, suppose you have written something in lowercase, how can we convert them in uppercase? Suppose you want to convert them in, let's say, sentence case. So how this is possible in Microsoft Word? So these are the things we are going to cover in today's session. So let us move to the practical session.
Your future starts here. Welcome to Multidimensional Training Institute Ascendance Edu-Tech. Master computer skills, programming, and English communication through practical, industry-focused training. For students, professionals, and aspiring achievers. Learn, grow, succeed. Join Ascendance Edu-Tech today.
So let's say we are learning MS Word. Convert this thing in uppercase. So we can go to this particular button. We can say uppercase. So see, everything is converted to uppercase. Now we have to come back to lowercase. So we can click on this, we can go to lowercase. So everything is in lowercase. Now we want capitalize each word. So see, each and every character of each and every word is now in capital. Okay, now I want to convert this thing in sentence case. So let us click on the sentence case. So see, we know that first letter of the sentence must be in capital. So exactly we are getting this one. At last we are getting, let's say I want to use this one, this toggle case. So you notice this thing, whatever, like the character, let's say W, earlier it was in capital, now it has become small. E wasn't small, it has become capital. So this is the use of toggle case. So these are what 5 different cases we have in MS Word. So according to our choice, our requirement, we are going to use these different cases. So hope you have learned this one, and please write your feedback in the comment box so that we can understand your learning level. So this way I am coming to an end of this particular session. Thank you.